Okay, so this is the situation we have that needs to be tended to, and the sun visors in my '73 Ford are in disrepair. So the little knob in the end, they're broken off in both of them, and they don't want to stay up. When you're driving down the road, all of a sudden they'll be flat, straight down like that. They're also kind of dirty. They're the original ones, but they've never really been cleaned up that well. And this one's a little bit stiffer, so that one actually stays in place, but it needs that little knob on the end there. So I think last Christmas my wife put these in my stocking stuffer. Okay, so this apparently goes into here, but the old one is broken. And not that I haven't tried, because I have. I've tried to get that broken piece out and it just won't come out. And I've used needle nose, I've tried drilling into it and pulling it out, and nothing seems to work. So I've got one more option here, and that's to remove the visors and just see what's inside there. Maybe it goes all the way through and I can push something through. So we'll give that a shot. Also, look how loose that is. Those need to be tightened up. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, how about that? Maynard Ferguson, F-100 2 and 3. Okay, so I'm going to start by removing. Oh, well, that was easy. And see if this pulls off very easily. It does. Now let's look inside of there. Can't really tell, but I think I'll have a wood dowel or something that might fit through there. This side's pretty clean, actually. Actually, it's in really good condition. It's just dirty. There's no rips, tears. Oh, there's one little crack here. That's it. Just a lot of dirt buildup. Okay, this should be an easy one. And that little clip up there, that looks in pretty good condition. That moves pretty good. It's actually kind of sticky. Not sticky enough. I wonder what to put on. Oh yeah, so couple years ago I tried putting some friction tape on there, and that did not do the trick. I tried to squeeze it in there, it just didn't work. Maybe I put some in the end here. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, so we've got the visor and got the end piece, and this little end piece goes into there like so. And so we got to get that piece that's stuck in there out of this visor. And I've tried needle nose, I've tried different tactics to get that out of there. So what I'm thinking now is I found the longest screwdriver I have, which is this one here. It's a Phillips. And it goes in quite a ways, but not all the way. So hopefully, we'll see if it's open all the way. And if it is, and it's not long enough, I'll find a stock that is. So let's give this a shot. Yeah, it is. It goes all the way. Okay. So I think that is probably going to work. Just need to find something that goes all the way. Well, I've looked. I don't have anything, but let's see. I'm going to have to make a trip to the hardware store. Okay. Well, I just got back from Ace Hardware, and I picked up this 1/4" by 36" steel rod, zinc plated and everything. And so now we're going to see if, since this wasn't long enough, we'll see if this goes all the way through. And hopefully I'll be able to push that through. It worked perfectly. That is amazing. Alright. Cool. Let's try this one. Now then, and I also noticed when I was checking this out, there's almost like a steel band. It goes around the arm, the post arm from the mount for the visor, and this one seems to be looser than this one. This one's a lot tighter. So that tells me that the reason this one kept falling down is partially because this is a little loose. So when I put it back on there, I might just take a wrench and just kind of squeeze a little bit. I'm not sure how far down that goes, but maybe that'll help make it a little bit more snug. Okay, now let's see if this fits, the new replacement fits inside there. It should, and it sure does perfectly. So okay, so now I'm going to clean the visors, and actually I found that Tide original formula is a really good degreaser. So let's see what we can do here. And see how that just picks up the dirt. Almost 50 years worth of dirt here. I'm sure this has never been cleaned like this before. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing going here. Oh yeah, what I gotta do is tighten these dogs up here. And I'll probably take that tape off of there.
Oh, there we go.
Beautiful. That came off better than I thought. Okay. Now this goes. Okay, that's in there. Perfect. Okay, so that's perfect. Stays down, stays up. That is just awesome. Okay, I got the first one on. That went on without a hitch. Let's see if I can get the second one on now. Okay, I'll start with putting that pin in here. And also want to tighten up these screws up here. Make sure they're tight, and that one is. Oh wow. The passenger one was nice and tight. And now that's easy as it seems. Okay, I'm going to put this down for a minute. Yeah, I think I got that in there far enough. Let's take a look over here. Perfect. And it stays up. Beautiful. Okay. Hey, if you liked the video, hit like, and if you want to subscribe, push the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.